Welcome to the most magical time of the year. And today we are stepping into a winter wonderland at the Festival Tree 2025. From sparkling ornaments to twinkling lights, from classic red and green to the modern themes, golden and handmade decorations, ideas. This festival is all about joy, creativity, and a spirit of festival. Let's take a walk through the forest of festive dreams. Did you know festival dates back decades? They begin as community events where people decorated trees to raise funds for charities or simply bring holiday cheer to towns. Today they have become a celebration of art, tradition, and joy, where schools, artists, families, and designers create their own unique tree style. And each tree tells a story, some of faith, some of family, and some just filled with festive fun. Now let's begin our journey through the glowing forest of trees. Let's add this traditional tree lush green with golden bells, candy canes, and big red bows. Fairy lights next to it, a minimalist white tree with silver ornaments, and soft fairy lights, simple, modern, and elegant. Oh, here is a children's theme tree filled with handmade craft, paper stars, and drawing. Every decoration is made with love and laughter. And now a true showstopper, a crystal themed tree, shimmering the glass, isoslits, and snowflakes, reflecting light like a frozen masterpiece. Let's talk about some of the most loved tree themes we saw. Gingerbread tree, decorated with fox cookies, cinnamon sticks, and tiny whisk. Nature tree, pine cones, wooden ornaments, dried orange slices, and burlap ribbon. Luxury tree, white and gold ornaments, feathers, and pearl garlands. Color explosion tree, rainbow ornaments, bold ribbon, and LED lights. Feeling inspired? These ideas can be recreated at home. Use paper craft, hand painted bubbles, or even recycled material to make your tree one of a kind. Hope you like that ideas, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We want to bring for you very amazing ideas. We try to bring for you best ideas from worldwide connection.